So, dear all medical professionals, those are watching today, I am with Dr. Kiran Soni. She is from Kerala, and we will
Hello.
talk about her migration to Germany. She is already in Germany, and I think we will understand your queries from her and how it was experienced. So, please, you tell where are you, your basic, where are you from, what you, from where you have done your medical degree and which year you have passed out and your working place.
Hi, I'm Kiran Soni. I'm a doctor. And I work. I'm from Kerala, Trivandrum, India, and I've done my MBBS in Trivandrum itself. Passed out in 2016. Basically, I started working after that for 6 to 6.5 years, and I decided to go to Germany to pursue my masters. But it was a long, very adventurous, journey. Learning German, getting here. This is my third day in Germany. It's a bit of a struggle initially, but we'll cope up. But it's for the better, greater good. So it's happy.
So, like, how do you plan to study PG in Germany, or what motivates you to come to Germany?
Basically, here we can have whichever department you want to go. From what I research, we can actually apply directly to whichever department, which is not possible back in our country in India. We'll have to like write the NEET exam, which is going the next year. It's going to be the next exam. So it's like too much of things, and we might not even end up in a department that we like. Here it's like if at all we have an experience, if at all we have a good amount of experience in certain department, if you apply with that, there are, and we have state of the art technology, great universities here in Germany. That itself is a boon. Also, we in everything will have to be struggling, but still that is there in every field. So if you have certain amount of motivation, maybe you can achieve goals.
Okay, good. So now, Dr. Kiran, you are already in Germany. So, what do you feel difference changes medical PG in India and Germany? Like, what is your opinion?
Uh, I think like it's almost similar from India. Like it's basically working along with studying, but here it's like we have to 60 months of course, a medical surgical level of masters. It takes around 60 months, but then from what I heard, we get a good amount of, which is a positive thing. We get a good amount of stipend. We have great amount of experience
Yes.
from great universities. We have like so many choices to make. We can not even just in Germany, everywhere in European Union, if you want to go, it's a very good option. I'm like
Okay.
staying every like we also, since we are staying together with other people, we get to mingle with our different cultures. That is also a good thing.
Okay. So, have you got your classes schedules? Like, how many hours every day you will be having classes for your FSP and C1 training?
Yeah, it's a 20 weeks course from what I heard, and initially it's a 10 weeks basic course, intensive course with the 10 weeks exam preparation. So that's like 4 months, and after that, I think from every 6 months we have an exam for FSP.
Yes.
So we'll have to apply prior, like 3 months prior at least. And once we get the exam date, it's entirely up to you to
Yes.
get it passed. But then we'll after we pass the FSP exam, we get a 2 years Berufserlaubnis, which is what is called temporary license,
Yes.
and then we can practice in
Start.
hospital.
Yes.
Yeah, it's similar to applying to universities. We'll have to put up a resume to too many places, but then once we'll have a temporary license for 2 years, and then within that period, we can prepare for your Cantonese proofing exam, which is like shortened KP exam, and that also has a certain amount of preparation taken. But there, I think KP exam could be written only thrice,
Yes.
so you'll have to get it in one go. You'll have
Okay.
to be working really hard to get it.
Yes, of course you have to do. If you good things,
Mm.
of course you have to work hard somewhere, and
It takes time. It takes much of
it
effort.
takes time. You need patience. Patience is very important for Germany.
Since it's like, since we are away from home, we're mentally not
Yeah.
very stable.
Yeah,
And
it will
since
take time
it's
also
totally
little.
different, we're out of our comfort zone. There we have everything, just getting out of your house, you're within reach of everything. This is a
Yeah.
new country, new culture. It takes some getting used to.
Okay.
But it's
And how about your accommodation and who is your in apartment? Who is your friend? Newcomers are there?
accommodation. I found one thing good, that they have placed us in very good place. Like my roommate is going for the same course as I am. She's going for C1, and
Okay. Indian only or other country? Your roommate?
she's from Afghanistan, and
Okay.
we practice lots of German here speaking, and we have other roommates too, like
So you
the
are
neighboring.
lucky lady doctor.
I am lucky in that way. I got her.
Yes, you got a good partner,
Yes,
right?
yeah, I
Really.
got a very good roommate. Yes.
Yes. And our apartment services are all okay? Like,
Yeah,
uh,
it's all okay. Everything's well
because,
maintained. Everything.
yeah, because you know,
Yeah.
accommodation task is very big
Yeah,
task in
takes.
Germany.
Yes, it
It's
is.
very difficult for that.
Hmm.
People can do anything, but finding accommodation is a like
I
headache for
heard that.
everyone. Yes.
Even though you find a good accommodation, getting it furnished is difficult too. So this
Yes.
we have, it's completely furnished. Everything's done. We have a cleaning lady coming, so it's all good.
Okay. And it is near to your school also.
Yeah, there's a 20 minutes walk from here.
Yes.
Yeah, but okay. We're getting used to that part. That is the toughest one. And some
Yes.
of the buildings don't have elevators here, so that's tricky. It takes time to get adjusted to that. That's what, back home it's very easy. You get into your cars, you go back wherever you want.
Yes.
That will get some you getting used to, but that's otherwise everything is good.
Okay. Then how do you feel about our services in regards to come Germany? What do you want to say?
Like step by step I was being helped, both from ACS and Wellcare, like with German classes and processing and everything. Although exams we had to do ourselves, everything else was being supported, and yeah, it was good. The services were good. Thank you.
And last questions like, what do you want to give a message to upcoming medical doctors who wish to do post graduation or wish to work as a doctor in Germany? Do you want to give any message to upcoming medical doctors?
I would say you'll have to have great amount of motivation, because you are coming out of your comfort zone, you're coming away from your family, and you have to work really hard to study, which is like everywhere. It's going to be the same. Unless you study, unless you work hard, it's not going to be possible.
The key
But
success point is language.
The key thing, yeah, that is important, is language, because apart from the medical field, every other field doesn't need to have the language level, but they're finding it very difficult when you come here. Staying here needs German, and most people don't even know English. Some people do, but they prefer to speak German.
Yeah,
So
German.
unless your German is good, it's very difficult to stay here. But it's the same way even in our country. If you don't know Hindi, or if you don't know our mother tongue, it's difficult to survive. It's the same way here. But then the services here are good, the rules are good. You will be independent, you learn to be independent. The rules are very strict, so we'll be more responsible citizens. So that's a very good thing. That is what inspired me to coming to Germany here. Because back home I'm not criticizing my country, I love my country, but what I'm saying is we do have such rules there also, but nobody follows. Most people don't. So it's like, even if the other person is following, the neighbors would make sure that you don't follow. So in a way I found all that good. Only the hardest and trickiest part is learning the language, and if you dedicate some amount of time to it, it's good. You can reach great places.
If
Very good.
you are happy, we
Yes,
are
yes.
always happy. If you are
Thank
not
you.
happy, then we are not happy.
Yeah,
My
yeah.
happiness comes through my students. And when
Mhm.
they feel happy, now you are so happy, your parents also happy, then we feel happy, okay, we are doing something good thing in a right way. We are not misguiding anyone. Correct.
Yes, yes.
Maybe it takes some time. We have to keep patience, which is the genuine things we have to bring in. It is not sometime in our hand. So we have to keep patience and follow the things, stick with
Mhm.
ourselves, then definitely
Yeah,
we will see.
I would like to give you a suggestion. It's like more of when like initially we were told like the courses are for 6 months, but what we will think is from A1 to B2 that gets over within 6 months. But in between we have exams. We
Yes,
have yeah. So getting the date for an exam, passing the exam, all will depend on our
it
luck
is also
actually.
take, yes, take
So
time.
we actually don't think of that. So when we're like, okay, within 6 months our German is getting over, but we never anticipate this time. And
Yes.
so when you convey that, you will have to put this along with it so that there
No,
won't be any
we see when,
miscommunication.
yeah, when I counsel my students, okay,
Hmm.
then we say those all things. Okay.
Yeah.
We
Yeah.
tell them because that's why nowadays those are
Hmm.
coming. When they start the A1, immediately
Hmm.
we go for degree recognition. So
Yeah.
maybe it's come in 9 months, 10 months, or 12 months. I think in that period they can reach the required level.
Yeah, it's not just the recognition part I'm saying. We will be like of the we'll
Yeah,
have to have a mental picture of how long
correct.
this thing
Yeah,
is going to take.
writing
So
exams.
usually I like from my personal experience,
Yes.
I was thinking it'll get over that fast, but then because A1 and A2 are exams are all internal exams. The tutor who teaches us gets the exam,
Yes.
so we
Yes.
won't anticipate that is okay. But when it comes to B1 and B2, we have to get a Gyote exam date. Some exams are difficult. Some date places are difficult to get. Some places are difficult to pass. So that all takes too much of time. So if you
Yeah,
tell people,
nowadays getting dates
yeah,
is
exactly.
quite difficult task.
Yes, yes, very much, very
But
much.
still, we are
People are
getting like
taking dates
somehow
two,
we
three.
can arrange. Yeah.
Yeah, people are taking dates at two, three places at a time because it's
Yes.
difficult. So
Yeah.
that's what I'm saying. These people, when you start learning, we'll have all this dream coming off like, okay, I'm going to Germany. But then this thing takes our it actually tests our patience. Like, oh, it's so
Correct.
much of time's going. But when if it's conveyed initially itself, in between you'll have such things. It's getting dates, which is not in anybody's hands,
Correct.
isn't it? Not yours, not other students, not Gyotis. It will depend entirely on how the people is getting filled. So that
Correct.
is you can't anticipate. So once it's conveyed initially, people will know okay, this is there. Then we'll be also okay,
Yeah.
fine. It takes
Definitely,
time.
I'll take in consideration of your opinion also,
Yeah.
and those are
That is
upcoming
what got me
definitely.
worked up. That is what got me worked up. I got tense there because it was taking too long. I had like right after I was working very successfully in a private hospital, and I had to resign after my B1. I did myself. Nobody forced me to, but I wanted to spend more time studying. So
Correct.
yes, because that is how I got through my B1 and B2 in one go. The first chance itself, I passed both the
Yeah,
exams.
you did really well. Like one go is
But then
passing is challenging task.
B2, yeah, the written part I lost for 1.5 marks, but then I got like I went to Delhi and gave my exam and I passed. But what I'm saying is that is not possible for everyone. So it needs support from family also. That
Yes.
is that in a way I was lucky with that, but still you also need to work. Just not just the institution, not just the family. You have to work hard very much. Otherwise, you won't reach places.
So okay, so thank you so much for your time today.
Okay.
Uh, I wish you best of luck further also, and
Thank
keep
you.
hard working like that, and get your goal, reach your success. Okay, and
Thank
anything
you.
you need help, definitely I'm available on WhatsApp. You can write me. So
Thank
very
you.
soon we'll meet. I'm right now I'm in India, but I will be there in maybe in October or November.
Oh,
We
okay.
can meet definitely. Okay.
Right.
So take care. Bye bye, and thank you so much
Bye
for
bye.
having your time today with me.
Yes. Thank you.
Bye. Take care.
Bye bye. See you.